Hi. Today we'll explore water's strange behavior with Hope's apparatus, why it's densest at 4 degrees C, why ice floats, and how it saves lakes. Join me, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope's apparatus demonstrates the anomalous behavior of water, specifically that it reaches its maximum density at 4 degrees C, causing ice to float and affecting natural phenomena like lake freezing. The apparatus is a tall cylindrical container filled with water, equipped with 2 thermometers, one near the top and one near the bottom, and a cooling jacket around the middle filled with a freezing mixture, e.g., ice and salt. Meanwhile, water cooled below 4 degrees C towards 0 degrees C becomes less dense due to the formation of an open molecular lattice, causing it to rise to the top. At 0 degrees C, water freezes into ice, which has an even lower density, 0.92 g/cm, due to its crystalline structure, making it float. The bottom thermometer stabilizes near 4 degrees C, indicating the densest water collects there, while the top thermometer drops to 0 degrees C, where ice forms. This shows water's anomalous behavior. Unlike most liquids, which get denser as they cool, water's density peaks at 4 degrees C and decreases below it. This explains why lakes freeze from the top, as denser 4 degrees C water sinks, leaving less dense 0 degrees C water and ice at the surface, preserving aquatic life below.